What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I shot my last video, but we back. So I recently had my video with my guy Apollo where we did the comparison of our cars, his M4 versus my 440i. And in that video there was a clip where I did some exhaust sound clips. Oh my god! A lot of people started asking me like, hey, what's your Burble settings on the car? So this video is pretty much just going to be showing my Burble settings for the car. In my opinion, the Gen 2 B58 sound a lot better. I don't know what they did to the car, the Gen 2 cars, but they sound way better. But as Gen 1 B58 guys, we still got to do what we got to do to try to make our car sound good. I will be sharing my Burble settings on the car, and I also will be doing some exhaust clips. I'll like go drive, do wide open throttle, just cruising, things like that. Okay, so keep in mind, I do run two different Burble settings. So the first one is no burbles at all. Like, you know, sometimes the burbles can get irritating. Like, I've done every single type of burble setting I believe there is, like extremely aggressive, medium, OEM, and no burbles. And actually no burbles might be my second favorite. So right here on the screen, I'll show the settings. All you have to do is just click the exhaust burble thing and turn it off, and that's like one of my favorite burble settings. No burbles sometimes is my favorite because sometimes you don't want to hear the burbles when you drive, and you just want to drive and just hear the pure exhaust note. And then my personal favorite is the medium burbles. It's not too long, and it's like just right. Like, it burbles a little bit, and it's not irritating, it's not annoying. Like, you'll hear it here and there. But yeah, those are right here on the screen. But yeah, these are my two favorite burble settings for the Gen 1 B58s. Keep in mind also, I do have a muffler delete, so it may sound slightly different if you have a different exhaust setup. But yeah, Gen 1 B58 with muffler deletes, this is how it will sound. I'm gonna go for a ride and let you guys hear the differences between both of the two burble settings, and then let me know down below in the comments which one you guys prefer. All right, you guys, real quick, as I'm driving around just to get the car warmed up, I want you guys to remember that all of the sound clips will be recorded with the transmission and sport shifting. So I feel like when you're in just regular shift mode, like, the car is like very quiet, and like, I believe the valves are closed as well. So once you have the car over, like, you just push the shifter over to the left when you put in sport shifting, I believe it opens the valves, and also the car just sounds a lot better. Like, you won't hear the exhaust as much when you're in regular shifting mode. But yeah, just remember to have the car over in sport shifting, and you'll get the best sound every time you're trying to find that good exhaust note when you're driving. Okay, and one more thing before I show the exhaust clips. The one thing I do prefer about the no burble option is the fact that you will get random burbles, because that's just how BMW engineered the B58 engine. So you will get random burbles, and I know a lot of people like it because they like the randomness. Like, it's more of a natural burble instead of, like, when you do have the burbles enabled, it will be like kind of the same thing over and over again, but with the no burble option, it'll surprise you here and there. So I know that's why some people prefer it, but I just like to hear a little bit more, the engine a little bit more often. That's why I prefer the burble option, but it's up to you, you decide. But yeah, let me get to these exhaust clips. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up and let me know which one is your favorite option in the comments below. it.